Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you simple moonlight scenery with two birds. I'm using Faber Castell drawing book for all these episodes of this learning program. The paper thickness is 150 GSM. Here I use a paper sealer to cover all the edges so that it gives a framed appearance and can avoid spreading paints. Here I am using colors lemon yellow, leafy green, light green and black. Always put a layout prior to paint. It helps to avoid confusion. Here I have used three brushes, flat brush size 8 and 4 and one round brush. So let us start. So far we have seen how to prepare to begin paintings by choosing right paint, different types of brushes, different mediums, palettes and canvases. Now you have got all your materials and comes to the fun part, actually putting paint on paper. The first question comes to our mind is like, where should I begin? It's matter of personal preference. So but we have to be careful in three things like choices of subject matter, canvas size, media, and being prepared to begin a paintings will help you to gather all the things together. And according to me, if you start with black, it is great because it makes you concentrate on elements such as compositions, values, lighting, and forms so that you can easily learn. And also, you can leave the brush strokes visible, or if you don't like, you can eliminate all the traces. It's entirely depends on whether you like it or not, and most of the artist is take this as a style of painting. So if you don't like the brush strokes, you can always blend with blend or using glazing medium, you can always eliminate all the traces. I would prefer to eliminate all the traces of brush strokes because I love blending. have painted a simple moonlight scenery with two birds, so everybody can try it out. And this is very, very simple and easy painting for a beginner. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get up to date, means so that you will get update. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.